What's going on, guys? In this short video, I'm going to show you how to find topics to come up with if you've got a YouTube channel. Let's say, for instance, your channel is about dogs. Now, I want you to consider this. No matter what your channel is about, if nobody's searching for those topics, you'll never be seen. So, your channel's about dogs. Here's what you can do. This is something called the YouTube alphabet, Google alphabet. You're going to use the main keyword for your topic or niche, and then add a letter to each letter of the alphabet to follow that. So what do I mean by that? If I put in dog, okay, and I put A, these are all different things that start with A that are popular topics right now that they're searching. Backspace, B, C, D. And you can keep going on and on with this. But I'll give you a little bit of a hint here. It's a good idea to find a topic that maybe somebody's looking for a problem that needs to be solved. So let's see if we can find something. We're on H, I, J. Okay, well, maybe we'll find something here. L. Maybe dog music to calm them. Maybe your dog has a lot of anxiety. So let's click on that. Now, what I can do now is use these for ideas here for videos. I can find out what's trending, what are the most popular, and I can make videos based on dogs and music. And you're just using music basically to soothe the animal, but you need to get an idea what people are actually using. So I would open up a few of these here, and what you'll notice, there's already a YouTube channel that seems to be dominating this part, right? So does it leave room for you? Not sure. You can see that, okay, here's a different one here. We'll open that one up. So take a look at these and observe keywords they're using, observe basically what the name of the video is, the description, all the details that they're using, because you may be able to use it for your channel as well, but reword it. And if you're going to reword it, let's say I take this here, I'll copy it, and I can go to Quillbot and just reword it. So now instead of relaxation tones to calm anxiety and stress, I can use relaxing tones to reduce stress and anxiety, and I can add to that or take away from that. Just an idea there, sort of a quick tip that you can use as far as coming up with different titles so you don't take the exact title. Now, hopefully that helps you out in creating content. It's not a hard thing to do, but picking a niche and then using different letters of the alphabet that follow. Hopefully that helps out. Be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this.